Hi, I'm Jennifer for Women's Choice Reviews, and I'm reviewing this KitchenAid 36-inch French door refrigerator. This refrigerator is approximately 36 inches wide by 36 inches deep by 70 inches tall. It is deeper than a typical kitchen counter, so it will stand out somewhat. Always check the precise dimensions of the refrigerator against the space where you will be placing it to be sure of the fit. And always leave adequate space behind and above for air to circulate. Also, make sure to check the size of the doorways the unit will have to pass through to get it into your kitchen. With a total capacity of 25.8 cubic feet, this unit is about average for the 36-inch French door units we've evaluated. It is one of the more expensive French door refrigerators on a cost per cubic foot basis, with an MSRP of $3,899. This KitchenAid came to $151 per cubic foot, whereas the average was about $120. It is important to note, however, that some refrigerators are more heavily discounted than others, which can complicate this comparison. This unit has interior door bins for gallon-sized containers, a filtered water and ice dispenser, a 3-drawer freezer, versatile and flexible shelving, and bright LED lighting. The 2 exterior temperature-controlled drawers are a nice convenience for accessing frequently consumed items. A pizza pocket in the freezer is great for storing large frozen pizzas vertically and out of the way. And a dedicated storage space for keeping herbs fresh is a nice addition. It can easily pass our turkey test, meaning you can configure the refrigerator shelves so that a large cooked or uncooked turkey can fit. It is made in the USA and comes in stainless steel and, for an additional cost, black stainless steel.